guys! Welcome to Botanical. Explore na naman si Bisaya Kuday. Ayan, may pupuntahan tayo guys. Kaya dyan lang kayo at dito lang ako. Let's go!
Salita aluga.
So, ayan na guys, yung papasok dito sa Botanical. So, dito tayo. Halika! So, ito yung mga pinupuntahan ng mga turista guys na pupunta dito.
Toilet daw, toilet.
So, kung gusto nyo mag-CR guys, may toilet. Yan, doon papunta. Charot lang. So, kung gusto nyo naman pumunta sa China, nandyan lang sa baba, magkapit bahay. Tara, punta tayo dito sa China.
Filipino, Chinese, Friendship Garden.
Uy, may cat! So, ito pala yung kabuuan ng Botanical guys. Meron tayong malaking panda dito.
Tang tarang!
So, the meaning of panda guys is ito pala yung sa mga Chinese, no? Sa Chinese culture. So, panda in the Chinese cultures, when people think of China, they often think of the panda. The Chinese regard them as a symbol for a friend. So, a friend para yung panda. The panda has an important place in a Chinese culture and history in the Shangshu written history of the Zhou dynasty. 1027, the panda was described as an incredible animal, as strong as tiger, as tribute to the kings and emperors. A panda pelt was often given during the Ming dynasty. The panda was often thought to have medical powers. To pelt supposedly could refill plant and prevent tumors. So the panda was often compared to the yin and yang because of its black and white spots. The color stands in stark contrast to another one animals. Well, the panda calm minor was a demonstration of how when a balance, the yin yang were harmonious and peaceful. So the Chinese people adore the panda. Many people revere it as a symbol of good luck. True, some people do touch them. Most Chinese consider them honored guests. When they encounter with them, they might feed it, and if it's injured or sick, they might alert local authorities in recent years. So the panda was replaced, the dragon as an emblem of China. The image appears on many coins and souvenirs. So that is the meaning of panda, guys. Kaya pala sila naglagay ng panda dito. And then, meron din sila ditong nilagay, guys, ng mga ito na, guys. Yan, tingnan nyo naman yan. So, the Filipino-Chinese Friendship Garden. So, yun pala yung ano sa botanical na ano. So, yan yung makikita nyo, guys. Take a look! Ay, kabait ni Totoy! Yan, napandol ko, guys. Giatay, guys, uy. Ayan, yan yung makikita niyo sa botanical, guys. Diba? Ang ganda. Ayan. So, konti lang ang tao ngayon. Yan, diba? Ang ganda ng ano niyan, o. Yung umbrella. Umbrella. Yan. Habang nagpipicture yung kasama ko. Yan. So, yan yung makikita natin dito, guys. So, ano yung nakasulat dyan? The Friendship Garden was made possible through the generosity of support of the following benefactors. Ayan, honorable, ganyan, and authority law. Nasa to, Republic of China, Lawag City. Ayan, mga plaque yan, guys, na inano nila dito sa mga Chinese. Ayan, sa Baguio Filipino-Chinese community. Ayan, meron silang community sa mga Chinese dito sa Baguio, guys. Kaya naman, maganda yung tourist dito sa Baguio. Ayan, nagsama-sama ang Filipino-Chinese sa ginawa nila ito. Friendship Garden. This project is dedicated to the Filipino and the Chinese communities in this beloved city, commemorating the close relations and the years of strong bilateral ties between the Republic of the Philippines and the People's Republic of China. And chikwakang na siya, hindi ko na maintindihan. So, last June 9, 2018, ayan, ito yung mga sponsor guides sa mga Baguio Chinese. Ito yung mga negosyante dito sa Baguio. So, sila yung mga ano dito. Ayan, the Baguio Filipino Chinese Community Executive Committee, the Baguio Filipino Cantonese Association ORCA, and then the Baguio Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce. Ayan, so the Association of Philippine China Understanding Baguio City Chapter. Ayan, yan yung mga bumubuo dito. So ito sila yung mga negosyante dito sa Baguio, kaya ito yung mga binigay nila na mga ano dito sa botanical. Ayan. So, what is the meaning of this, guys? So, we will read what is the meaning of the raft in 1936, 1948. So, yung mga year of, ayan, mga year of 1948, 1960. Ayan. So, yan yung mga meaning, guys, sa ano, di ba? Ayan. So, if you are year of the rat, then people who were born of the year of the rat are noted for their charm and attraction for the opposite sex. They work hard to achieve their goals, acquire possessions, and they're likely to be perfectionists. They are basically thrifty with money. Rat people are easily angered and love to gossip. Their ambitions are big and they are usually very successful. They are most compatible with people born in the year of dragon, monkey, and ox. So this is the rabbit. Ayan, see the rabbit, guys. Okay, so that's the rabbit. And then we will go to the ox. So here in the Philippines guys, hindi ako nakakita ng ox. Okay lang ang nakita ko dito. Pero ito, so what is the meaning of ox? People born in the year of the ox are patient. Ayan. So sino yung mga year ano dyan guys na anong year ba ako? I'm the 1984 ako guys eh. So sino yun na year of 1937, 1949, 1961, 1973, 1985, 1997, 2009, 2021, 2033, and 2045. It's the year of the ox, and the people born in the year of the ox are patient, speak little, and inspire confidence in others. They tend, however, to be eccentric and bigoted, and they anger easily. They have fierce tempers, and through this speak little, though they are quite eloquent. Or ox people are mentally and physically alert, generally easygoing, and they can be remarkable, stubborn, hate to fail, or be opposed. They are most compatible with snake, rooster, and rats. So that is the meaning of the ox guys. And then this is the ox guys, and then we will go to the rabbit. So if you are born in the year of, what is the meaning of the rabbit? The year of that is 1939 and 1951. Ayan. So if you are born on that year, and then the rabbit people are articulate, talented, and ambitious, virtuous, reserved, and have excellent taste. They are admired, trusted, and often financially lucky. They are fond of gossip, but are thankful and generally kind. They seldom lose their temper. They are clever and business and never back out of contracts. They have the uncanny gift of choosing the right thing. However, they seldom gamble as they are conservative and wise. They are the most compatible with the sheep, pig, and dog, and so on. That is the year of the rabbit. Ayan, so kung yung year nyo guys, ayan, nandyan. 1984, hindi ko pa nakita yung year ko kung ano ako. So, ito yung rabbit dito guys, na ginawa nila. Para malaman ninyo kung guys, kung ano yung meaning ng ano. So, dito naman tayo sa ayan, dragon. Ayan, so what is the meaning of the dragon? If you are born on 1940 and 1952, 1964, 1976, 1988, or 2000 and 2012, 2024, and 2036, or 2048. So you are healthy, energetic, acceptable, short-tempered, and stubborn. And they are also honest, sensitive, brave, and they inspire confidence and trust. Dragon people are the most eccentric of many in the Eastern Soja. They neither borrow money nor make following speeches, but they tend to be soft-hearted, which sometimes give others in advance over them. They are compatible with rats and monkeys and roosters. So, ayan guys, yung raw dragon. Ayan, si dragon. Ang ginawa dito sa, ayan, dito mo lang yan makikita sa botanical guys, ang mga meaning ng mga what is the year. Yan. And then this one is the snake. So this is the snake. And then if you are born on 1941, 1953, 1965, 1977, 1989, 2001, 2030, and 2025, and 2037, 29, 49. Ayan. Snake people are deep, lyrical, and possess great wisdom. They are financially fortunate and often quite vain, selfish, and a bit stingy. Yet they are remedious sympathy for others, and they tend to overdo since they have doubts about other people's judgment and proper to really under themselves. They are determined in what they and what hate to fail through come in service. They are instead passionate. They are usually good looking, and they are compatible with the ox in the rooster. So that is the meaning of this snake guys. So we're going to go to the horse. Yan. Yan si horse guys, oh. So, if you are also born on 1942, 1954, 1966, 1978, 1990, 2002, 2014, 2026, and 2038, and 2050. So, the year of the horse are popular. They are always cheerful, skillful with money, and very perceptive. Through they sometimes talk too much. They are wise, talented, good on their hands and sometimes have a weakness for members of the opposite sex. Yeah, they are impatient and hot-blooded about everything except their daily work. They like entertainment and large crowds. They are very independent
sabihin mo.
and rarely listen to advice. They are compatible with tigers, dogs. Yeah, so this is the meaning of the horse. Yeah, and she is the year of the horse, guys. Don't forget to subscribe her channel, RB Vlog. And so if you want more updated about delivery, ayan, so she's the one who delivered everything. Okay? And this is the goat. And then God.
Goat ba yan? Parang